That was a good joke. Correct. Very good joke. So funny. So funny. So funny. Cha, I'm supposed to read. What am I doing? Read. B-U-T is but. Then P-U-T is but. But. Funny. Yes. What am I doing? I'm supposed to finish this. Read. What was that song again? Yeah. Shit! I'm doing it again. Oh my god, so much time I get distracted.
Have you been in the situation where you get constantly distracted? So hey guys, welcome and namaste to 2 minutes to life challenge of day 29. The today's topic is distraction. So distraction has been a part of life for centuries together. We can get distracted when we're doing something, asking something, giving a lecture. I was in a situation where I was taking a lecture and I was like in blank because I was distracted. I was thinking of something else. That stupid moment happened to me. It was so embarrassing. But when I started learning about distraction can happen because of many reasons. Maybe you are not inspired by the work that you're doing, or maybe you are having a very low attention span, or at the same time you might be multi-talented. So there are many reasons that you can have distraction mode, but let me tell you the tips that you can come up. The first thing that you have to do is be conscious about the distraction. So obviously when you are clear and when you know that you're a distracted person just like me, so make sure that you keep a note, make sure that you keep a book where you would keep a check or keep a mark that whenever you get distracted, imagine you're studying, you got distracted, you are aware of it, then immediately make a mark of it. At the end of the finishing your project work, and try to look at how many times you were distracted. So conscious about your distraction will help you to recover from it. Now the second most thing is what I personally feel is you get distracted only when you're not determined enough. When you're not dedicated for the work that you wish to do, that's when the distractions would come up. So try to make some things which moves you, such inspires you and make you feel determined about it, rather than things that would just simply doesn't inspire or move you into it. So that's the most important thing that you have to think about whenever you have to beat or fight the distraction. And that's all for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.